Hi guys, welcome back to my beauty. This is Cece, and today we're doing a holiday gift ideas. Yep. So we're gonna start off with what everyone does for a holiday gift idea is hot chocolate. Yay! So we're gonna start off with cornstarch. So the cornstarch, I know it's a little weird, but this is just to thicken up your chocolate. So if you don't want some like watery ass hot chocolate. So that's a tablespoon of cornstarch. And if you want it to look all pretty, you can try to like, it's not working for me. Anyway. Don't judge me. My cameraman is judging me.
Always.
So it's not gonna look all pretty for me. So there's your cornstarch that you'll need. You can omit this step if you want, but like I said, I like my hot chocolate thick, so that's what that's for. And
that's what she said.
Shut up. Okay. Next, we're gonna have cocoa powder. This is like a tablespoon and a half of unsweetened cocoa powder. So that's gonna be our next layer. And you can double this recipe if you want to make it for two. This is actually just the individual recipe that I'm doing. So that's going to be your next.
Oh yeah, so pretty.
Your next layer doesn't really look like a layer because I screwed it up, but it is what it is. That's going to be your next layer.
It's the thought that counts.
It's the thought that counts. I tried it, guys. Okay, so next we're going to have, this is like 3 tablespoons of sugar because I like a lot of sugar. So that's going to be adding your 3 tablespoons of sugar. That's going to go on top. I'm going to spoon that out. And then this is about, you know how you can get blocks of dark chocolate. Try to find, this is like 95% cocoa, so I got like a square and a half of chocolate. So we're just going to break that up and put that on top. Do y'all hear my cat?
Chocolatey.
And then you're just gonna need a pinch of salt in here. I don't have a salt right now, but yeah, a pinch of salt. You're gonna put your lid on and you're gonna give this a little cute gift idea, like I said. And you can tie this around. I got these little things from, I don't know where I got them, but I got these little cute Santa things. It's from Santa. And you can write the follow-up, what you need to do with this. So basically you just need to mix it with 8 ounces of milk and just whisk it all together and you'll have hot chocolate. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay guys, we're back. Now we're gonna do a whipped Peppermint Body Scrub. Yep. So we're gonna start off. We have like a third of a cup of shea butter, and to that we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. And we're gonna take our mixer and we're just gonna blend that up. So that should be creamy. If it's not, you can blend it some more. Okay, that should be good. Alright, to that we're going to take about 3/4 a cup of sugar. And we're just going to add that to. Now you can blend it back in or you can just stir it in. I am just going to stir it in. Now you can use more or less depending on, yeah. Okay, and then next you're going to take your peppermint oil. I think use 5 to 6 drops. It depends. You know, don't use too much. What do I always say? You're going to irritate your skin. 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that's good. Stir that in. And then we have, if you want to make it very like Christmas looking, you know, for the gifts or whatever. Anyway, so to get this as a gift, I would add some coloring. This is actually just food coloring. There's also colorings out there that are made for bath and body products, but what?
Looks like blood.
Yeah, what's wrong with yes, too. Anyway. Not red enough. Anyway, you're just gonna stir that up. Go stay there, I'm gonna work. I forgot my drawer. And so you can make this more red if you like, and you're just gonna take this and you're gonna pour it into your little gift jar and take one of those labels that I used earlier on the last one and tie that around it as well, and you can write your instructions. Well, there's no instructions. I mean, it's body scrub, but yeah. And that is your whipped peppermint moisturizing body scrub. Okay.
Fancy.
Fancy. Okay. Alright. That's basically it for this one. And we're going to move over to the next one, which I forgot to do this. But anyway. Okay, guys. Now we're going to do a vanilla rose bath soap gift idea thingy. So it's going to be like a warm vanilla scent. So really this is like the simplest ingredient ever. So really I have about 6 ounces of 3 ounces of, I'm sorry, I can't count, 3 ounces of Epsom salt and 3 ounces of Dead Sea salt. So just mixing those together, and you're just going to take some vanilla fragrance. And this comes out in like, and you're just going to add some, I have some dry rose petals and rosebuds here, and I'm just going to add that. Now, if you want to add rose essential oil, you can, but we all know rose essential oil is like $100, so I don't really know if you want to be giving it out as a gift or whatever, but. Alright, and that's it for that one. Let me just like. It's not going down. Okay, guys, it's not working. I don't know what it is for it. Shut up. So, guess I'll just spoon it in here and make a mess. But anyway, that's it for the holiday gift ideas. Y'all know I'll be rushing like every week. Anyway, y'all get the idea. Just fill this up and put a ribbon around it, and yeah, that's it. What? What are you looking at me like?
Nothing.
Alright, guys, love you.